There's nothing like seeing a classic car out on the street, living history, not locked away, but rumbling alongside modern traffic. These cars are time capsules, each with a story, a unique sound, and a scent that takes you back. Across the USA, enthusiasts keep these icons alive, not just in garages but on the open road. Their enduring appeal and engineering have captured hearts for generations. Today we're celebrating the most iconic classic cars you can still spot cruising America. These are the legends that turn heads and keep our automotive history rolling. Buckle up, let's hit the road and relive the golden age of driving. When you think American icon, you think Ford Mustang. Launched in 1964, it wasn't just a car, it was a movement. The Mustang created the pony car, stylish, affordable, and sporty for everyone. The first generation, 64 12 to 73, offered notchbacks, fastbacks, convertibles, and a range of engines from reliable 6s to fire-breathing V8s. Its versatility made it a daily driver, a drag strip terror, or a showpiece. What keeps Mustangs alive? An unmatched community and endless part support. You can build a 66 from a catalog. That accessibility means you'll see them everywhere. Cars and coffee, Main Street, even as daily drivers. The design is timeless. Long hood, short deck, galloping pony in the grille. Whether pristine or battle-scarred, every Mustang is a piece of Americana. And it's not just the originals. The Fox body Mustangs of the 80s and 90s are now cult favorites, easy to modify, and loved by a new generation. When a classic Mustang rumbles by, it's more than a car, it's living history. Owners aren't just driving, they're preserving a legend. The Mustang is the original pony car, still galloping strong. It's a symbol of freedom, style, and American spirit. And it's not slowing down anytime soon. If the Mustang is the people's champ, the Chevrolet Corvette is America's dream machine. Since 1953, the Corvette has been our answer to Europe's sports cars. Exotic, ambitious, and always evolving. Early C1s were pure 50s style, but the arrival of the small block V8 in '55 set the Corvette's performance legacy. The C2 Stingray, 63, 67, especially the split window coupe, is a design icon, sleek, powerful, and collectible. The C3, with its dramatic curves and T-tops, defined the sports car look for a generation. Big block C3s were monsters, and with so many built, they're still accessible classics. Corvette clubs are legendary. Owners are passionate, organized, and keep these cars running. From Bloomington Gold to cross-country tours, Corvettes are driven, not just displayed. Each generation tells a chapter of American ambition and innovation. Whether it's a polished C1, razor-sharp C2, or flamboyant C3, every Corvette is a rolling piece of history. Owners cherish them, and the community ensures their survival. Seeing a classic Corvette is a reminder. America can build world-class sports cars. The story of the Corvette is still being written on highways, not just in museums. It's a symbol of speed, style, and American pride. And it's still turning heads after 70 years. Now for something different, the Volkswagen Beetle, a global icon that found a special place in America. The Beetle was the anti-car, simple, reliable, economical, and irresistibly charming. Its air-cooled rear engine was easy to fix, making it a survivor. The Beetle became a symbol of the 60s counterculture. College students, artists, and rebels loved it. The Think Small ad campaign celebrated its honesty and humility, and America bought millions. Today, Beetle owners are some of the most creative. Restorations, Cal Look, Baja Bugs, and Rat Rods all thrive. The Beetle's putt-putt engine is instantly recognizable and always brings a smile. It's impossible to be mad at a Beetle. It's a happy car. You'll see them at shows, on the freeway, and parked by surf shops. Parts are still easy to find, thanks to a global network of suppliers. The Beetle proved you don't need a V8 or chrome to win hearts, just charm and spirit. It was the people's car in Germany, and it's still the people's car here. One happy putt-putt at a time, its legacy rolls on. The Chevrolet Bel Air, especially the Tri-5 models from '55, '56, and '57, is the ultimate '50s American car. These cars are rolling sculptures capturing the optimism and style of post-war America. The '55 introduced Chevy's legendary small-block V8, a hot-rodding staple. The '57, with its tail fins and gold trim, is pure '50s excess and the king of the era. Tri-5s were everywhere. Family cars, police cruisers, drag racers. Their robust construction and huge aftermarket support keep them on the road. At car shows, you'll see perfect restorations, wild restomods, and classic gassers. The two-door hardtop is the most sought after, but wagons like the Nomad are beloved too. Driving a Tri-5 is a time machine. Big bench seats, wide hoods, and a sense of being king of the road. It's a reminder of when style was everything and the open road was yours. Seeing one today is a rumbling tribute to America's golden age of cars. While the Corvette chased sports car glory, Ford's Thunderbird invented the personal luxury car. Launched in 1955, the T-Bird blended style, comfort, and V8 power in a two-seater package. The Babybirds 55, 57 were elegant, with roll-up windows and a relaxed, top-down vibe. In 58, Ford added a back seat, the Squarebird, boosting sales and defining the segment. Each generation brought bold new looks, from the rocket-like Bulletbird to the formal Flairbird. Thunderbird owners are a dedicated bunch, supported by strong clubs and specialists. You'll spot T-Birds at upscale shows, often immaculately restored. Unique features, like the swing-away steering wheel, set them apart. A Babybird convertible on a sunny day is pure sophistication. The Thunderbird was never about being the fastest. It was about arriving in style. It's a symbol of effortless cool and American luxury, and it still turns heads wherever it goes. You hear it before you see it, a deep, menacing rumble. Then the Dodge Charger appears, low, wide, and unmistakable. If the Mustang was the pony car, the Charger was the muscle car brawler. The second generation, 6870, became a legend with its Coke bottle shape, hidden headlights, and flying buttress rear window. This was the car from Bullitt and the General Lee, pure pop culture. Under the hood, the 383, the 440 Magnum, and the legendary 426 Hemi, race engines for the street. Many were raced and wrecked, making survivors rare and cherished. Charger owners are passionate, gathering at shows and decoding every detail. The sound of a 440 or Hemi is unforgettable, a mechanical symphony. The 6870 Charger is the definitive muscle car for many, burned into our collective memory. Even later models have a strong following, but the classic shape is iconic. Seeing a Charger today is a powerful link to Detroit's performance peak. It's a symbol of raw power and American attitude, and it still commands respect on the road. There you have it, just a few of the classic cars still alive and well on American roads. From Mustangs to Chargers, each tells a story and keeps our history rolling. These cars survive thanks to passionate owners who pour their hearts into preservation. They're more than machines, they're connections to our past and sparks for new memories. Next time you see a classic, take a moment to appreciate it. What's your favorite classic car? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Keep on cruising.